Are you looking for the best bonsai starter kit? In this video we will look at some of the best bonsai starter kit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Nature's Blossom Bonsai Tree Kit. Have you been wanting to grow your own bonsai tree but are restricted to do so because of not having any skill and knowledge? Nature's Blossom Bonsai Tree Seed Starter Kit is the key to your dream. The Nature's Blossom Bonsai Tree Seed Starter Kit is essential to any beginner in growing and caring for a bonsai tree. The gardening set contains all the things that you need to get started, from the seeds, biodegradable pots and instruction manual. Having these items will ease your anxiety and fear of making a mistake, as you will be guided with the easy, simple steps. The 4 seed packets are guaranteed 100% organic. This aspect of Nature's Blossom Bonsai Tree Seed Starter Kit is crucial in ensuring that you get the best value of the time and money that you will invest in this product. More so, the quality is reliable. With patience and dedication, you will be amazed to see the beauty of Pisceum mariana, Delonyx regia, Pinus aristatu and Jacaranda mimosifolia. Nature's Blossom Bonsai Kit consists of 4 varieties of seeds that are Jacaranda, Pinus aristata, Pinus thunbergii, and black spruce, each to everyone's liking. Jacaranda is for the decorative purpose that adds to the aesthetic look of your room. Pinus aristatu is a stunningly beautiful tree that has needle-shaped leaves, and it's all green. Moreover, browse ready-to-plant seed kits, biological seeds bag, soil pellets, vases for plants, labels to identify seed kind, compressed seed starting soil with all the necessary nutrients. Cons: Nature's Blossom Bonsai Kit doesn't have specified instructions. Number 2, Bonsai Starter Kit. The complete growing. Nature's Blossom Bonsai Kit consists of 4 varieties of seeds that are Jacaranda, Pinus aristata, Pinus thunbergii, and black spruce, each to everyone's liking. Jacaranda is for the decorative purpose that adds to the aesthetic look of your room. Pinus aristatu is a stunningly beautiful tree that has needle-shaped leaves, and it's all green plant. Moreover, Pinus thunbergii is the best option to gift someone, as it has a unique appearance with white foliage. That's an artistic piece to present someone who loves art. And last one, black spruce for growing indoor plants. Black spruce is also one of the popular ones among the different Nature Blossom Bonsai Starter Kits. Why do you think your expertise is needed to grow bonsai tree when Nature Blossom Bonsai Tree Seed Starter Kit is available? So, kickstart with the instructions that are provided and get yourself an eye-catching bonsai that also gives you several health benefits. Browse ready-to-plant seed kits, biological seeds bag, soil pellets, vases for plants, labels to identify seed kind, compressed seed starting soil with all the necessary nutrients, biodegradable plants made of non-synthetic materials, user-friendly handbook for a guide, seeds with a high germination rate. The seeds are organic and GMO-free. Cons: Nature's Blossom Bonsai Kit doesn't have specified instructions. Number 3, Bonsai Tree Seed Starter Kit. If you are looking for non-GMO seeds to cultivate and you are going to experience it the first time, then trust me, it's the best option to buy a kit from here. They provide new seeds if the previous one doesn't germinate. The kit has different plant seeds like Jacaranda mimosifolia, Brazilian rosewood, Pinus aristata, Rocky Mountain bristlecone pine, Delonyx regia, flame tree, and Pisceum mariana, black spruce. This is also a fantastic gift option for anyone who'd like this beautiful looking bonsai trees. Like bonsai trees require an extra bit of effort for their clean looks, you'll have to get used to this particular kit if, especially, you are new to non-GMO seeding cultivation. Therefore, you have to grind in some time to get your hands set for operation on this bonsai kit. Appealing a packaged wood box with the seeds and pots is all good to gift your loved ones and plant lovers. Don't worry, these are not the only things. but the ebook is also available to guide you throughout your process of gardening. Pros: unique seeds with labels. Soil disc is provided. Additional seeds available. Pots covered with a burlap bag. Cons: you have to soak seeds for a day then plant them. Number 4. Plant Theatre Bonsai Trio Kit. Do you want to teach your children the art of growing and caring for a bonsai tree? Have the Plant Theatre Bonsai Trio Kit as your instant ally. It will not only instill you the basics of planting and caring a bonsai, it will also promote a fun bond between you and your little ones. The Plant Theatre Bonsai Trio Kit plays a vital role for every beginner in the bonsai industry. Learn as much as you can, including your kids, the values of dedication and patience as you jumpstart your bonsai garden. The unique aspect of this bonsai kit is the 3 variety of seeds that are non-GMO. The red maple has a playful color that will make your dream vibrant bonsai, while the silver birch and mountain pine will unleash your creative skill and aid you with the necessary knowledge about bonsai trees. Plant Theatre Bonsai Trio Kit. The 9 Green Box Best Gift Bonsai Juniper Tree is one of the bonsai plants that you should not miss. This plant is worth your time, money and patience. The fact that the bonsai juniper tree can be trained into shapes of your desire, makes your growing journey with this plant a rewarding one. With hard work and dedication, you will appreciate more about your experience with the bonsai, as it gives you a sense of fulfillment and happiness. This relaxing beauty will definitely wow your guests when they take a look at your garden. Number 5. Eve's Black Pine Bonsai Seed Kit. Dreaming of growing a black pine bonsai tree but lack the materials and knowledge to do so? Eve's Black Pine Bonsai Seed Kit is all you need to make the impossible a possible one. For an affordable price, you get a complete seed kit that contains the black pine seeds, instruction manual, pebbles, potting mixture and a ceramic container. Indeed, this compact package will make a big difference after your hard work and dedication in its growing journey. The Eve's Black Pine Bonsai Seed Kit has everything you need to kick off your wish of growing a black pine bonsai tree. With the right materials and simple instructions, you will never go wrong in having a healthy bonsai plant over time. A successful seed growth rate that comes with the Eve's Black Pine Bonsai Seed Kit makes the deal even more inviting. After all we need in bonsai tree planting is to grow a healthy one, right? You will not refuse a beginner set with a manual and a 2-year-old live juniper bonsai tree, will you? Not with Eve's Bonsai Tree Starter Kit. Everything you need is in this package already. Note that it is also reasonably priced. Aside from treating yourself to a healthy activity, the Eve's Bonsai Tree Starter Kit makes a refreshing gift to your family members. 2. The instruction guide will aid them every step of their journey with the Japanese bonsai tree. More so, a bonsai potting mix is already included. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.